Hello, and welcome to our video on the upcoming shift in wealth and how cryptocurrencies are redefining money. The first thing that we need to address is the current state of wealth distribution. According to recent studies, the top 1% of the world's population holds 44% of the world's wealth, while the bottom 50% holds just 1%. This has resulted in a significant wealth gap, with many people struggling to make ends meet, while a select few enjoy enormous wealth and privilege. The traditional financial system has been criticized for exacerbating this problem, and many people are looking for alternative solutions. This is where cryptocurrencies have come in. One of the most often discussed subjects in the financial world today is cryptocurrency. But what is cryptocurrency really, and how does it operate? We'll examine the fundamentals of cryptocurrencies in this video, along with their benefits as well as their drawbacks. Let's begin with the basics. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. The art of secure communication, while a third party is present, is known as cryptography. Cryptocurrency is created through a process called mining. Mining involves solving complex mathematical problems, and the person or group that solves the problem is rewarded with a certain amount of cryptocurrency. This process ensures that the cryptocurrency is decentralized and not controlled by any one individual or organization. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009. However, there are now thousands of different cryptocurrencies available, each with its own unique features and use cases. One of the benefits of cryptocurrency is that it is decentralized, meaning it is not controlled by any government or financial institution. This makes it a popular choice for people who want to keep their financial transactions private and secure. Another benefit of cryptocurrency is that it can be used to make purchases just like traditional currency. Some businesses now accept cryptocurrency as payment, and it can be transferred between individuals without the need for a bank. Because cryptocurrency transactions are verified and processed by a decentralized network of computers, they can be processed quickly and at a lower cost than traditional banking transactions. However, there are also risks associated with cryptocurrency. One of the biggest risks is that the value of cryptocurrency can be highly volatile. The value of Bitcoin, for example, has fluctuated wildly over the years. Another risk is that cryptocurrency is not yet widely accepted, so it may be difficult to find places to spend it and/or convert it into cash. Additionally, because cryptocurrency is not regulated with traditional currency, it can be vulnerable to fraud and scams. Fraudulent schemes have been created around cryptocurrency, with scammers taking advantage of the lack of regulation to defraud investors. Despite these risks, cryptocurrency continues to gain popularity as a form of investment and payment. Cryptocurrency has also sparked innovation in the financial industry, with many traditional banks and financial institutions now exploring ways to incorporate blockchain technology into their operations, as many experts believe that cryptocurrencies have the potential to revolutionize the financial industry. In conclusion, the world of finance is undergoing a significant transformation, and cryptocurrencies are at the forefront of this change. While there are risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies, there are also significant benefits, and many people believe that they represent the future of money. As the world becomes more digital, it's likely that we'll see more and more people turning to cryptocurrencies as a way to manage their wealth. It remains to be seen how cryptocurrency will evolve in the future, but one thing is clear: it has already had a significant impact on the world of finance. Thank you for watching this video on the upcoming shift in wealth and how cryptocurrencies play a role in it. We hope you found it to be informative and useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos like this one.